Ngayon, kanina ang opening natin si Ma'am Osa, di ba? So, meron din tayo closing. Bago tayo kumanta ng high school life, magsasalita na si Ma'am Elma Bitton para sa opening. Palakpakan naman natin. As a closing pala, parang gusto ko pa ulit mag-opening. Good evening, guys. Okay, let bygones be bygones. These are the words that I always hear every time we talk about experiences. Sometimes they set aside, if not, forget what happened to our past. The question is, will we be right now without the past? Definitely the answer is no. Because the past is the best significant effect to our present today. Tonight, when we brought back the memories that we had during the high school days, our laughters, our tears, and even those things that made us crazy during our teenage life. Teenage life, according to them, is what they call this teenage life, according to them, is the best life of a human they have. A while ago, kasama natin yung mga teachers natin. And until now, they are still here doing the same thing that they did to us before. Before, we don't understand the reason behind one. And now, we understand. Di ba? Kasi they really made us better. This reunion gives me contradicting feelings. Happiness, sorrow, and excitement. Happiness because we meet each other, diba? And cherish those moments we had before. Sorrow because it has been 25 years since we touched each other's shoulders again. And excitement because I know and I do believe that this reunion will commence a series of reunions that we will be having in the future. And thank you to our alma mater because our school opened the horizon to a bigger and tougher world. And of course, thank you to our teachers because they mold and made us. And I would like also to thank you to those persons behind this our reunion, most especially to Emmer Villarosa, who visited me in my school, Bernard Galupe, Eli Gagarin, and Joseph Perez. They were the one talaga para tayo magkaipon-ipon. A round of applause to them, guys. And thank you, batchmates, for cleaning this commonality that we have. Hence, truly goodbyes are not forever, right? Past should not be past. Do you still remember what we uttered before when we ended our school, our class? Natatandaan ninyo? No. This time I can chant again. I hope you do remember it. Goodbye, classmates. Goodbye, teachers. See you again tomorrow. Thank you. Have a pleasant night and Merry Christmas to one and all.